The beach is so fun. Except for the sun. Hey, Luigi. Hey, guys. Man, the beach is so fun, right? Yeah, except for the sun. Right? But where's Freddy? I don't know. I'm gonna go find him. I found him. What do you guys want? I'm trying to lay down. I didn't call you. It was Gus. Oh, man. I want to go to the beach. I'm going into the water. Ah, the water. It looks so beautiful. No. No, it's still gone. I think that was enough. Going into the water. I'm gonna just take a nap. Oh, Luigi's asleep. Oh, that'd be what. I'm gonna bury him. Ah, good, I buried. What? Who buried me? Wait, I'm pretty sure I heard Gus when I was sleeping. Gus! Yeah, so that's how I won, crewmates. Guys, did you bury me? No. What are you talking about? Gus! Alright, I did. It was just a prank. I could have died like Tiger it. Gus! At the beach. Let me just test the water out. I'm gonna make the water come to me. Come on. Well, I'm gonna go closer. Oh, it's so cold. No, I'm not going to the beach. That was a long day for me. Oh boy, the last one. I'm tired. I want to leave the beach. We did so much. Barely anything but still. I'm really thirsty. I'm really thirsty. Woo, that's a lot of hygiene. Took like 20 hours to climb up here. My head. Maybe I'm gonna take a nap again. What? How am I in here? Help! God! God! And that's how I became imposter. God, did you bury me? No! Where's it, Freddy?